All right, it's 6:16, time for a deeper dive into this whole weather situation, including what's going to happen for us, but also what's happening to the south of us, right?
Absolutely, yeah. Sharon, this is potentially the first hurricane to make landfall since Bob, but this will be nothing like Bob. Big difference is Bob was racing north. This is going to slow down.
Oh,
So
which is...
it's good for us.
It's good and bad, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's good in that the wind isn't going to make it here, but in southern New England, especially Connecticut and Rhode Island, it's going to mean flooding rain, even back to New York City. Some flooding rain too. So here's the latest, expecting a landfall early afternoon in southern New England, somewhere around eastern Connecticut or western Rhode Island. Obviously, Rhode Island's a narrow state, so wouldn't take much of a wiggle to get it into Connecticut. And since it's a slow-moving storm, the wind will quickly weaken, but rain will remain an issue. And even for us, we'll be getting some rain over the next few days. See this band right now lifting up over Cape Cod? This is the leading feeder band of rain, we call it, on the edge of the storm. And that's what will be arriving in southern Maine late this morning into early afternoon. Here's the center of the storm right now, moving to the north at 18 miles per hour, and that puts it right on a track toward Rhode Island middle of the day today. And look at how the rain extends all the way back to the west around New York. Now, once it makes landfall, that's when the storm starts slowing down. So from 2 o'clock this afternoon to 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, it only gets from coastal Rhode Island, the center of it, to western New Hampshire. And that's why flooding rain is going to be a big issue, particularly west of the storm track. Then its leftover circulation will come through here Monday night into Tuesday morning, and by Tuesday afternoon it is completely out of here. But by the time it makes it here, the wind will be a non-issue. This morning, though, the wind is an issue, particularly to the south of us. That's where we'll be getting some gusts to 60 or even 70 miles per hour on the south coast of New England. Worst case scenario here in Maine, some gusts 25 to 35 miles per hour on the southern Maine coast, and that's not enough for power outages. So we are not concerned about power outages or damage at all here in Maine, and then the wind just collapses as the storm moves inland. The rain, though, a big issue, 3 to 6 inches of it west of the storm track. That's a major flooding concern in western New England. Here in northern New England, we will get some rain, which could amount to up to 3 inches by Tuesday morning. So we'll certainly have big puddles and ponding and things like that as all that shower and downpour activity comes through. Waves a bigger issue, building up to 4 to 8 feet. In fact, the only advisory we have related to the storm is a high surf advisory starting at noon today going through tomorrow morning for waves building up to 5 to 8 feet. No rain out there right now, but we do have quite a bit of fog. Temperatures are in the 60s statewide, and it is very humid. And with these tropical systems that have been coming through, Fred a few days ago, now Henri, the air is just very tropical with dew points in the mid-60s, and that won't change for another 5 or 6 days. So here's the timeline. By noon today, we get some showers and downpours over southern Maine. By 3 o'clock, starting to work into central Maine. But if you're watching from eastern Maine, northern Maine, you get none of this rain at all today. It's really central and southern Maine where the showers develop first. Tonight, it's cloudy, it's muggy with showers continuing, and then tomorrow's a mostly cloudy day. Damp, but definitely not raining the whole time. And then this is what's left of Henri, which will come through Monday night into Tuesday morning with one last round of showers and downpours before clearing out Tuesday afternoon. So seas today building up to 4 to 7 feet. Obviously not a day to be on the water. Small craft advisory is up, and the easterly wind will start to pick up as well. So showers today and tomorrow, some tropical downpours Tuesday morning, and then we clear it out. And look at the temperatures. Mid-80s Tuesday, around 90 Wednesday and Thursday. Front comes down on Thursday, and that will finally break the humidity. All week, Sharon, going to be pretty muggy with warm overnights too. So.
Okay. All right. Well.
Yeah.
Some summer weather.
Exactly. Once we get Henri out of here,
right.
It's back to summer.
Right. And, thank goodness it's not hitting us
We are
directly.
very lucky.
Very
yeah.
lucky. All right. Thanks, Ryan.
You're welcome.